We've got a representative from each alliance going to the midfield and coming back with a hopper full of fuel. The Bucks Wrath is the first to shoot, and the Laker bots are lined up. They've got a whole lot of balls, and they're putting them up into that blue hub. It's going to be a pretty close autonomous period. Currently, blue is well ahead. Is red going to be able to catch up? They, maybe? We're going to have to see which way the shift goes. It does look like Red Alliance won and is going to turn off first, based on the flashing of their hub. Bucks Wrath is passing a bunch of shots back into the Red Alliance zone, shooting them 30 feet up in the air. 8046 locks that turret onto the Blue Alliance hub. They're shifting around, trying to get a better shooting position, try and get that hopper full of fuel up into the blue hub. Red Alliance has moved a lot of fuel back to their side of the field. Bucks Wrath is shooting up and in for the Red Alliance. Large amount of fuel up and in for red. Current score 95-46. Does look like the anomaly is passing back to the Bucks Wrath, trying to make sure that their partner has plenty of fuel to shoot to wrap up this active period. Bucks Wrath puts a couple more, sneaks under the trench, and they're back to midfield. Are they going to shoot? They are. Blue Alliance, how are they going to respond now that they are active? 8046 is playing defense on the Bucks Wrath, some very, very aggressive defense from the Laker bots. Let's see, is the Bucks Wrath going to be able to get away? They are. It does look like the Laker bots are just playing defense at this point. They are putting one chase onto the Bucks Wrath. Luckily, the Bucks Wrath has a turret and is undeterred by this defense. Let's follow that rookie team from Sanford. That's the anomaly. They're actually shooting into the wrong hub. Fascinating. Maybe that's just a passing strategy. They are taking fuel away from the Blue Alliance. 6329 is dealing with some very heavy defense from the Laker bots, who will not let them go. Pretty hard hit into the field wall as we enter the end game. Bucks Wrath has taken up a shooting position, and they're going to try and unload their hopper before the Laker bots get there. That's how high they can go with only a few minutes left, few seconds left. We are going to wrap up the end game. Let's see how red and blue finish up their final volleys into the hub. Laker bots are lined up. They got one hook onto the tower. We'll have to see if they were able to get off the ground.